Hello, my name is Jenna, and I am going to take you on a short tour of the Proquest database in the NMSUA Library website. We are at the NMSUA homepage, and we are going to select Library. This is the library homepage, and from here we can select databases or articles. Takes us to the same place. And why don't we pick the top one, Proquest Research Library. Proquest is a good database with broad coverage. We are going to do a basic, broad search for global warming. We are going to limit it by, let's say, the last 3 months. Get some updated information and limit it to full text documents only. And search. Searching. Alright, we have 461 documents found for global warming that were written in the last 3 months, or published in the last 3 months. We are also given some suggested topics. As you know, our topic global warming is very broad. If we wanted to limit that to global warming and climate change, we might get some more specific results. Another way to limit our results is to look at these tabs. I can limit by scholarly journals, magazines, trade publications, or newspapers. And since this is for let's say a science class, let's limit it to scholarly journals. We now only have 50 documents published in the last 3 months for global warming. Let's see what we have. Okay, effects of 21st century climate change on the Amazon rainforest. Let's select that. And what we have, because we limit it to full text, we have this summary and citation information. We have the title, the author, the journal it was published in, the Journal of Climate. That's how we know it's scholarly. Where it was published, when it was published, definitely published in the last 3 months. And we have the full text document. We might not have gotten the full text document if we hadn't limited it to full text. We would have found just citation information as well. Okay, let's go back to our results. This time, let's limit to global warming and carbon dioxide. Remember, we are, 508 documents, but again I need to narrow it to scholarly journals, magazines, trade publications, newspapers, references, or reports. And this time let's select newspapers. Just one little article. Okay, let's go ahead, and this one time it's just the abstract. We don't have a full text for this. But let's go ahead and select it, and I am going to show you what you can do here in your My Research tab. Okay, so we have marked this, which means we want to save it. And we also have our searches saved. We have our broad search of global warming, and we have our global warming and carbon dioxide search. But what we can also do is to create a bibliography. Okay, select that, and we can choose our citation style. And I like APA because it's recommended for psychology, education, and other social sciences. So let's download that. And look what it did. It put my newspaper article into APA citation format. Okay, let's go back. I want to show you one more thing. Up here we have different search options, and I am going to search by publication. And this time I am going to see what the Proquest database has on Newsweek. I want a Newsweek article that was just published. So I'm going to search for Newsweek, and there. Proquest does indeed index Newsweek. I'm going to select it. And I see it has full text coverage from 1998 to the present. So that means it has the article I need from the latest issue, March 3rd, 2008. Actually, this is the one I want, February 25th. So I can select it, and here are all of the articles from one of the latest issues of Newsweek in full text.